You lie in bed for hours, unable to fall asleep? Do you wake up tired no matter how long you sleep? Is your sleep schedule completely backwards? You're not alone. Millions of people have broken sleep schedules. But here's the good news. You can fix it in just 7 days. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your sleep schedule using science-backed methods. No pills, no expensive gadgets, just simple, proven techniques. Let's get into it. Before we fix it, let's understand what's happening. Your body has an internal clock called the circadian rhythm. It tells you when to wake up and when to sleep. This clock is controlled by light, specifically sunlight. Here's the problem. Artificial light at night, phones, TVs, laptops, tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Your body stops producing melatonin, the sleep hormone. Result? You can't fall asleep. You wake up tired. Your schedule gets later and later. But your circadian rhythm can be reset, and it only takes 7 days. The first day is the hardest, but it's the most important. Action? Wake up at your desired time, even if you only slept 4 hours. No snooze button, no sleeping in. Why? Your circadian rhythm is set by your wake-up time, not your bedtime. When you wake up at the same time every day, your body learns when to start the day. Tip: put your alarm across the room, so you have to get up to turn it off. This one change alone will fix 50% of your sleep problems. On day 2, you add the most powerful sleep tool, sunlight. Action: go outside within 30 minutes of waking up. Get 10-15 minutes of natural sunlight in your eyes. Don't stare at the sun. No sunglasses, no windows. Glass blocks the signal. Direct sunlight. Why? Sunlight tells your brain it's daytime. Wake up. It sets your internal clock for the next 24 hours. Can't go outside? Use a bright light therapy lamp. 10,000 lux for 15-20 minutes. This is the single most effective way to reset your circadian rhythm. Day 3 is about preparing for sleep. Action: stop using screens 1 to 2 hours before bed. If you must use them, turn on night mode or blue light blocking glasses. Why? Blue light from phones, TVs, and laptops suppresses melatonin, your sleep hormone. What to do instead? Read a physical book. Listen to a podcast or audiobook. Stretch or do light yoga. Take a warm shower. Talk to family. Your brain needs time to wind down. Give it at least 1 hour. Your body temperature naturally drops before sleep. You can help it. Action: take a warm bath or shower 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Wait, warm water? That raises temperature, right? Yes, but then your body cools down quickly afterward. That rapid cooling signals your brain time to sleep. Other temperature tips? Keep your bedroom cool, 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Use breathable sheets, cotton or bamboo. Sleep with feet or hands outside the blanket. Body releases heat through extremities. Temperature is a powerful sleep signal. Use it. Day 5 is about what you put in your body. Caffeine rule. Stop caffeine after 12 p.m., noon. Caffeine has a 6-hour half-life. If you drink coffee at 4 p.m., half of it is still in your system at 10 p.m. Food rules. Don't eat large meals 2 to 3 hours before bed. Don't go to bed hungry. A small snack is fine. Avoid sugar and alcohol before bed. Both disrupt sleep. Best evening snack: banana, magnesium plus potassium, almonds, melatonin, warm milk, tryptophan. What you eat affects how you sleep. Day 6 is about consistency and cues. Action: create a 30-minute bedtime routine and do it in the same order every night. Example routine: 9:30 p.m., turn off screens. 9:35 p.m., warm shower. 9:45 p.m., stretch or light yoga. 9:55 p.m., read a book. 10 p.m., lights out. Why? Your brain learns the pattern. After a few days, just starting the routine will make you sleepy. Pro tip, use dim, warm lights, red-orange spectrum in the evening. Bright white-blue lights keep you awake. The final day, and the most common mistake. Action, wake up at the same time every day, including weekends and days off. Why? Sleeping in on weekends resets your schedule. You undo all your progress. This is called social jet lag, and it's terrible for your health. What if you're tired? Go to bed earlier. Don't sleep in later. After 7 days, your body will naturally wake up at the right time, even without an alarm. Let me recap the 7 days. Day 1, wake up same time, no snooze. Day 2, sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Day 3, block blue light at night. Day 4, lower body temperature. Day 5, time meals and caffeine. Day 6, create a bedtime routine. Day 7, no sleeping in, even weekends. Follow these 7 days, your sleep will transform. Let me back this up with science. Study number 1, research shows that morning sunlight exposure shifts the circadian rhythm earlier by up to 2 hours. Study number 2, blue light blocking glasses improve sleep quality and duration in multiple studies. Study number 3, consistent wake-up times, even on weekends, reduce social jet lag and improve overall health markers. Study number 4, warm baths before bed reduce sleep onset time by 10 to 15 minutes. The science is clear. These methods work. These 7 days work for most people. But if you still can't sleep after trying everything, see a doctor. See a doctor if you have sleep apnea symptoms, loud snoring, gasping for air, you have restless leg syndrome, you have chronic insomnia for months, you feel excessively sleepy during the day, could be narcolepsy. Sleep disorders are real medical conditions. Get help if you need it. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle with sleep? Have you tried fixing your sleep schedule before? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. Sleep is the most underrated health tool. Better sleep, more energy, less stress, lower cortisol, and easier fat loss. Fix your sleep schedule in 7 days. Wake up at the same time. Get morning sunlight, block blue light at night, and be consistent. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. Sleep well, and I'll see you in the next one.